Welcome to this video on content optimization using AI. After watching this video, you'll be able to explain how generative AI analyzes content for optimization, discuss the role of AI tools for effective content creation, and list the evolving trends of AI for optimizing content. In today's digital landscape, achieving digital visibility requires more than great content. It demands strategic optimization. That's where generative AI, or Gen AI, transforms content creation, refining strategies for stronger brand positioning and audience engagement. Let's explore how these technologies are reshaping content optimization. AI-powered content analysis is in-depth. Gen AI tools analyze keyword placement, readability, and structural elements such as headings and subheadings. They also suggest semantic keywords to enhance engagement and contextual relevance. Additionally, AI tools assess readability scores, ensuring content remains clear and engaging. Tools such as Grammarly AI improve clarity, tone, and grammar to enhance readability. Hemingway Editor AI highlights complex sentences and passive voice, making content simpler and more direct. And ClearScope analyzes content for semantic keyword usage and recommends improvements. For instance, an e-commerce brand can use ClearScope to refine product descriptions, enhance readability, and align with targeted search terms for better SEO performance. Gen AI-driven tools can provide insights to refine and generate content. They can enhance existing material, suggest relevant keywords, and create fresh content meeting the search engine requirements. Marketers use tools such as ClearScope, Surfer SEO, and ChatGPT to implement data-driven content strategies. Consider the case of a travel agency. The agency uses Surfer SEO to analyze an article on top 10 winter destinations, and then refines it with ChatGPT for better keyword integration, leading to higher rankings. Businesses are increasingly leveraging AI tools to create high-quality, structured, and engaging content that ranks higher and resonates with audiences while reducing manual effort. For instance, digital marketing agencies use generative AI to draft content and then refine it with manual edits, ensuring it aligns with brand tone and industry-specific nuances. As AI evolves, it will revolutionize content creation by dynamically adjusting content based on real-time performance data and search trends. Optimizing multimedia content, including video scripts and voice search transcriptions. Generating personalized content variations tailored to different user personas. With these advancements, AI is reshaping content strategy, making it more adaptive, efficient, and impactful. In this video, you learned that Gen AI transforms content creation, refining strategies for strong brand positioning and audience engagement. Gen AI tools analyze keyword placement, readability, and structural elements such as headings and subheadings. They can enhance existing material, suggest relevant keywords, and create fresh content meeting the search engine requirements. And the evolving trends will adjust content for live data, optimize multimedia content, and generate variations in content that align with different users.